In Korea, autumn is sunny and breezy, making it the perfect time to enjoy the outdoors. It's enough to lift anyone's spirits. However, at the same time, many people start to feel nostalgic as we prepare for the end of the year. Weather has a big influence on our mood, which is why there are so many fun expressions related to autumn. Today, let's explore some of these interesting Korean phrases and see how we use them in our daily lives. First up, we have
가을의 문턱. 가을
means autumn,
의
means off,
문턱.
means threshold. It literally translates to the threshold of autumn. In this case, threshold is used to describe the moment right before something begins. So,
가을의 문턱.
is a poetic way to say autumn is just about to start. We also use the word
문턱.
in other contexts, like
결승 문턱.
the threshold of the final,
우승 문턱.
the threshold of victory,
죽음의 문턱.
the threshold of death. Next, we have
가을을 타다.
normally
타다.
means to ride, but in this context, it has a different meaning. Here, it's used to describe how people are emotionally affected by the changing seasons. So, when we say
가을을 타다.
it means we're feeling sentimental because of autumn. You can also use
타다.
with other words like
계절을 타다.
to be affected by the seasons,
더위를 타다.
to be sensitive to heat,
추위를 타다.
to be sensitive to cold. And lastly, let's talk about
Cheoseo Magic.
this is a relatively new phrase.
쳐서
Is one of the 24 seasonal divisions in East Asia, marking the time when the late summer heat finally starts to fade. Even though it may feel like the summer heat will never end, as soon as
쳐서.
arrives, the heat magically disappears. Now, what about you? What's your favorite autumn-related expression from the ones we've discussed, and why? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, I'm Sunny, your Korean study buddy, helping you learn Korean through stories and pictures.